Hello kids, welcome back to another session. In today's session, we are going to do the homework solution of -9 mixed complements. Okay, let us start. So where are we going to apply this formula? Where I will not have enough beats left to do -9. So ma'am, how is it different from our big friends of -9? In big friends, the way to apply the formula is different. Here, the way we will apply the formula will be different. Let us start. Okay, first question, 9 plus 5. No beats for 5, right? So plus 10 minus 5 and then minus 9. Do I have enough beats for minus 9? No. So what is my formula? Minus 10 plus 1. Now I don't have beats for this plus 1 also. So I will apply the formula of plus 1, that is plus 5 minus 4. So what did we do? We were applying minus 9's formula because we didn't have enough beats for minus 9. When we were applying the formula, we saw that in 9's formula, when we have to add 1, we are not having beats for that 1 also. So we further applied the formula of 1 as well. Okay, so what did we do? Formula and formula. That's the difference between big friends and mixed complements. Okay, next, plus 7, again 7. No beats, right? So formula plus 10 minus 3. And now minus 9. No beats. So the formula we learned minus 10 plus 1. For plus 1 plus 5 minus 4. Okay. Why are we doing ma'am plus 5 minus 4 for plus 1? Because we are not having beats for plus 1. Next. 8, 6. Do I have enough beats for 6? No. So my formula is plus 10 minus 4. Now minus 9. No formula, so minus 10 and plus 1. My answer is 5. Next, 5, 9, no beats, so plus 10 minus 1 and then minus 9. Again no beats, so minus 10 and plus 1. My answer is 5. Plus 9 is plus 10 minus 1, minus 9 is minus 10 plus 1. Alright. Next, 6 plus 8. No beats for plus 8. So my formula for plus 8 is plus 10 minus 2. For minus 2, minus 5 and plus 3. And then minus 9. No beats for minus 9. So minus 10 plus 1. My answer is 5. Okay. I hope it's clear guys. Alright. If you still have any doubts, you can let me know in the comments. Okay.